Let's be real, cloud infrastructure is broken. If you are a startup founder or a developer, you know the pain of AWS. On one wrong single click, you have X amount of dollars bill at the end of the month. Or second scenario is that you are writing the line of codes and after the time period it changes due to the documentation is changing. So I realized this gap between this. So me and my team have decided to work on this, and we have built a web app named as ZENITH AI. So what's the ZENITH AI? So ZENITH AI, it's not just a tool, it's a ultimate cloud synthesis which is beyond the code, beyond the diagram, and as simple as you are using a Canva. So let's check it out this. So this is a simple home page. You can check it out and you can know all about the web app from here. Let's get started. Here we can enter our credentials. So by entering our credentials here, we will simply log in it. So let's log in it and entering the credentials. On clicking this create new project, the project will be opened. So as we know, we have clicked here it. So we will use AWS resources. In it we will drag and drop the VPC cloud, virtual private cloud, and EC2 instance. Let's do this, and we will also use the Lambda. And we will connect the EC2 instance with a Lambda. This is a private connection, and you can see in this side the code is generated. Okay, so the code is generated. If you don't want any of the service like I don't want now Lambda, so we can simply just backspace on it, and the Lambda code is now cut it out and the code is regenerated. If any of the person has not a knowledge of the drag and drop or the diagrams, he can simply go and here give a prompt or can speak. Let's try this also. Create a VPC with an EC2 instance. Let's give this prompt. Okay, so it's also generated the diagrams and it's also generated the code. So that's all the main feature is in our web app is. We can simply download from it here. We can also share the code. We can save the code also if we want to deploy on the AWS directly. So we can directly deploy it on a single click. We don't have to do all the processes. We just have to click on this deploy and give the credentials to it. We can preview from this here, and we can also see the logs from this. So that's all. The other features about our web app is the budget analysis. So what's the ZENITH AI analysis? So ZENITH AI analysis is that for a startup founder, it's a major challenge to what's the service to use it. So this is the main constraint. So we have built it this. You simply have to amount what's your budget is and what's the required storage is. On the basis of it, it will recommend you the service stacks, and you can simply check out and you can use it. And the second challenge comes is the service advisor. We have to ask to the cloud engineer what services can be used. So here we can select web application. Our monthly budget is $50. Let's enter this. It will recommend it. What's the service I can use? What's the estimation cost will be there? What's the complexity? What will be the fit match for us? And we can use this by we can know this from this. And this is all about our web app. So go and check it out. At the end, I will say only that ZENITH AI is not just writing the code or giving architecture. It's a whole web app which is built for the writing the lines of code within a seconds. You can check it out and the deployment link is in the description. The Postman documents is ready. The GitHub link is also in the description. You can go and check out this. This is the ZENITH AI team. Keep building, keep hustling. Thank you.